So, good day everyone. My name is Gypsy Jane L. Presas, and I will be your reporter as of this day. Our topic is all about the advantages of mean, median, and mode. So first, let's define the meaning of mean. Mean is the average of set of data. To calculate the mean, find the sum of the data and then divide by the number of data. For example, an electronic store sells CD player at the following prices: 12 pesos, 15 pesos, 11 pesos, and another 11 pesos, 7 pesos, and 13 pesos. First, find the sum of the data. 12 plus 15 plus 11 plus 11 plus 7 plus 13 is equals to 69. Then divide by the number of data. There are 6 pieces of CD player are there. Therefore, you have to divide it by 6. So, 69 divided by 6 is equals to 11. And the mean there is 11.5. Here are the advantages of using mean. The first is, mean is the best measure for regular distribution. The mean is usually the best measure for central tendency to use when your data distribution is continuous and symmetrical, such as when your data is normally distributed. So the second one is, it is most reliable. Mean is the most accurate way of driving the central tendencies of a group of values, not only because it gives a more precise value as an answer, but also it takes into account every value in the list. Then the third one is, it is most stable, because it uses all the observation in any given distribution. The next reason is, it has least probable error. The more data points involved in the calculations of the mean, the smaller the standard error tends to be. When the standard error is small, the data is said to be more representative of the true mean. In cases where the standard error is large, the data may have some notable irregularities. And the last reason is, it is generally the most recognized measure of central tendency, because mean is the most frequently used measure of central tendency because it uses all the values in the data set to give you an average. So let's proceed now to the median. Median is the middle number in a set of data when the data is arranged in numerical order. For example, 12, 15, 11, 11, 7, and 13. First, you have to arrange the data in numerical order, starting from small number up to the highest number. Then, find the number in the middle or the average of the two numbers in the middle. So, as what you can see, 11 and 12 are in the middle. So, you have to add 11 plus 12 is equals to 23. And then, 23 divided by 2 is equals to 11.5. Therefore, you have the answer for your median. So, let's proceed now to the advantages of median. The first one is, median is the best measure for central tendency when the distribution is irregular or skewed, due to the reason that it is unaffected by extreme outliers or non-symmetric distributions of scores. And the second one is, it may be located in an open-end distribution or when the data is incomplete, wherein only 80% of the cases are reported. The third one is, it is preferable when the units of measurements are unknown and is determinable from cumulative curves or other graphs like the ogive or cumulative percentage frequency line graph. And the last one is mode. What is mode? Mode is the number that occurs the most. For example, 12, 15, 11, 11, 7, and 13. The mode there is 11 because it appears twice. Another example, a set of data will have more than one mode. For example, in the following set of the numbers, both the numbers 5 and 7 appear twice. 2, 9, 5, 7, 8, 6, 4, 7, and 5. 5 and 7 are both the mode, and this set is said to be bimodal. Sometimes, there is no mode in a set of data. For example, 3, 8, 7, 6, 12, 11, 2, and 1. All the numbers in this set occur only once. Therefore, there is no mode in this set. So, let's proceed now to the advantages of mode. First is, mode is always a real value since it does not fall on 0. The second is, it is easy to approximate by observation, especially if the number of cases is small. The next is, it does not lend to algebraic manipulation. And the last one is, it does not necessitate arranging of values, for it can be taken through inspection.